the fact that I can play tennis and is really important to me. I played tennis in college, and I played tournaments, senior tournaments, and it's amazing for me to get back to that and to enjoy that, because that's what I always envisioned myself being able to do. My name's Wayne, and I'm here. Initially met Dr. Stone because I came to investigate the BioKnee, which was the pace graft and the replacement meniscus procedure, and I had initially, when I consulted with Dr. Stone, he showed me my x-ray, and I had bone on bone in the lateral compartment of my right knee, and so it was a point where I could have done a partial knee replacement or do the BioKnee, and I opted for the BioKnee, and now it's 4 years later, and I'm here for a follow-up, and it's been amazing. For 4 years I have no pain. I walk 18 holes of golf. I play tennis a couple of times a week, and I take advantage of the viscose supplementation shot to just keep everything healthy and lubricated. Initially, my problem started on the tennis court when I had a big bucket handle tear, they called it, and I had a surgeon repair it, and after two or 3 years or 4, I don't remember, but I kind of ground through that repair, and that's when everybody was telling me that, oh, you're going to need a knee replacement, and then I was at an age that that wasn't really acceptable to me at that point in time, so I was looking for alternatives, and fortunately Dr. Stone was here, and I was really happy that there was an alternative to that. And 4 years later, I couldn't be more happy. Physically, I was feeling a lot of discomfort in my knee, and it was just things were moving around in there, and I was unable to do the things that I love to do, which is I've been playing sports my whole life, and I want to play the rest of my life. Well, the fact that I can play tennis and is really important to me. I played tennis in college, and I played tournaments, senior tournaments, and it's amazing for me to get back to that and to enjoy that, because that's what I always envisioned myself being able to do, and I have no pain ascending or descending stairs or walking 18 holes of golf. It's a regular knee. It's my normal knee, so that is what I came here for, but at the same time it's just it seems amazing to me that it's actually happened, so I'm really happy. I expected to be able to continue to play, but I wasn't ready to do the knee replacement, the partial knee replacement, which is a great alternative. I have friends who've had it, and they've had great experience with it, who play tennis, who play tournaments like I do. But again, I felt like I wanted to keep my natural parts, and other doctors that I've seen were saying, well, you got arthritis there in the knee, on the articular cartilage, there's arthritis there, and that's very problematic, so you're going to need a knee replacement. But with the pace grafts surgery I guess that took care of that, and it was a little bit of longer recovery from what, but it was fine. It worked out great. Anybody's like me, when something like this happens, I've been pretty healthy my whole life, and then all of a sudden you have an injury, a major, what I consider a major injury, all of a sudden for the first time, and then you're told that it's going to affect your activities, and especially if you're a sporty person, it's kind of stressful. I was very stressed out, and I had a period there while I was searching around and deciding what to do. I would just tell people who are in that situation that I was in to, if you're feeling the same and you want to have an alternative or just another opinion, I highly recommend coming here to San Francisco and seeing Dr. Stone.